Hello friends, I am Mr.P.D.Kumbhar working as Assistant Professor at Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Mahavidyalay, Malkapur, Perid, Taluka Shavwadi, District Kolhapur. This is my second module and catalysis. Here we will discuss about types of catalysis. As shown in slide, generally there are 6 types of catalysis such as positive catalysis, negative catalysis, autocatalysis, induced catalysis, acid-base catalysis and enzyme catalysis. Let us discuss all these one by one. Let us discuss first about positive catalysis. A catalyst which accelerates or increases the rate of chemical reaction is known as positive catalyst, and the phenomenon is known as positive catalysis. Here let us take into account some examples belonging to positive catalysis. First is the preparation of oxygen from potassium chlorate using manganese dioxide as a positive catalyst. The second reaction is the manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process. Here finely divided iron together with small amount of molybdenum is used as positive catalyst. The third is the manufacture of nitric acid by Oswald's process. Platinum as a catalyst is used here for oxidation of ammonia to nitric acid. Fourth one is the commercial preparation of sulfuric acid. In this reaction, vanadium pentoxide is used as positive catalyst for oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. Second is the negative catalysis. The phenomenon in which the rate of chemical reaction is retarded or decreased by presence of a catalyst is known as negative catalysis, and such a catalyst is often called negative catalyst. The frequent decomposition of hydrogen peroxide effectively controlled by drop of sulfuric acid is an example of negative catalyst. The third catalysis is autocatalysis. In some chemical reactions, once the reaction starts, one of the products acts as a catalyst, enhancing the rate of that reaction. In such a chemical reactions, no separate specific catalyst is required, and hence this phenomenon is known as autocatalysis. The product which acts as a catalyst is known as autocatalyst. In case of example, in the titration of oxalic acid with acidified KMnO4, the Mn2 plus ions are formed during the reaction, which acts as an autocatalyst and enhance the speed of reaction. The fourth type is the induced catalysis. In some chemical reactions, the added substance induces and enhances the rate of reaction. But in absence of substance, the reaction proceeds very slowly. These substances may be called a induced catalyst, and the phenomenon is known as induced catalysis. In case of example, bromic acid can oxidize sulfurous acid to sulfuric acid is belonging to the example of induced catalysis. The fifth type of catalysis is acid-base catalysis. Here the chemical change is brought about by presence of mineral acid or an alkali, and the phenomenon is known as acid or base catalysis respectively. The example we can take into consideration is acid catalytic reaction. Here hydrolysis of cane sugar in presence of dilute HCl is included. So hydrolysis of cane sugar in presence of dilute HCl takes place, and there is formation of glucose and fructose respectively. The next and the final type of catalysis let us discuss is the enzyme catalysis. The catalysis which takes place in presence of enzymes which are working as catalyst is known as enzyme catalysis. The best example is the inversion of cane sugar. The invertase enzyme converts cane sugar into glucose and fructose, and this is the example belonging to enzyme catalysis. The reaction is as shown in the slide. Cane sugar undergoes hydrolysis in presence of invertase and there is formation of glucose and fructose. Thank you friends for your kind patience and cooperation for watching my module number 2 and catalysis.